It's you can feel it.
Let's step outside.
It's starting to rain.
Did I close your windows?
Huh?
Your little triangle windows? Did I not?
I don't think that really matters.
I closed that one. I didn't close the other one.
No, I left my earbuds out. I hate to walk out here. I hate to be walking. Jeez. I hope I got that. Dude, I hope I got that.
Was it lightning strike?
Yeah.
That'd be really cool to see.
Huh?